Hey there guys, my Richards back with another video tutorial. In today's tutorial, I am going to answer a question from one of our Facebook group members. I'm going to share my screen and let's read the question together. So our member Liz in the group says, "Hi there, could you give me some advice about how to get people to join a Facebook group after," this is the key word right here, after receiving a lead magnet download? Liz says, "I've been trying to promote my group for months now and I can't get any traction to it. I have some lead magnets out there that get a handful of opt-ins, but I thought I could nurture those leads better if they could be in my Facebook group as well." She is so right about that. She can absolutely better nurture them if they're inside of her Facebook group. She then goes to say, "But not really sure how to message that connection between here's the freebie that you requested and please join my group. Any help is so appreciated." Well, Liz, I am here to answer that question for you. And basically, they're not. You've already given it away for free. So why should they join your Facebook group? That's not how you do it. You're supposed to use your Facebook group to your advantage. You filter everything through that Facebook group. Literally everything. If they want it, they have to join your group. You want access to me, you have to join my group. You want my lead magnet, you have to join my group. You want my free templates, you have to join my group. You can't give your things away for free and then expect them to join the Facebook group afterwards, because that's not going to happen. Why would they? They already have what they want. They wanted your free lead magnet and you willingly gave it to them. So we're going to stop doing that. We're going to use your Facebook group to your advantage. So I'm going to share my screen. And it's the same exact thing that you did when you joined my group. I had some type of lead magnet out there, or you probably just followed me because you saw comments that I made. But when I first started my Facebook group, I put lead magnets on social media. And in order for them to download those lead magnets, they had to join my group. I didn't give those lead magnets away for free. I got inside of Facebook groups where I knew my ideal clients will be at. I thought to myself, where are my potential clients hanging out at? What Facebook groups are they a part of? Well, first of all, I was already a part of most of them. But then I started to search. Do a Facebook group search of different groups that your ideal clients are inside of. Okay, so I'm going to take myself for instance. I started the Facebook group. I put a lead magnet inside of not every. I put a lead magnet probably in about 5 of my top groups that I was a part of. And I'm going to share my screen. And this was the results. Lead magnets work. I literally put my lead magnet inside of Facebook groups. I went to sleep, woke up in less than 8 hours, and I had 330 people request my Facebook group. I didn't do any. When people see these results, they say, "Oh my goodness, how much did you spend on ads?" I didn't spend nothing on Facebook ads. I don't even know how to use Facebook ads. They confused the heck out of me. This was all organic. 330. I haven't done this since I first put my lead magnet out. I need to do another lead magnet to get another big wave of people coming in. Literally. I woke up and my emails were just like, Kajabi new subscriber, Kajabi new subscriber. I couldn't believe it. 300, and the proof is in the pudding. Numbers don't lie. This is my actual screenshot. You see it says Social Media 365 membership, private group, 330 requests. I would not have gotten that many requests if I just gave the lead magnet away. Those people probably wouldn't have joined the Facebook group, or they probably would have because they wanted access to me. But they wanted that lead magnet so bad. They were like, okay, how do I get it? Join my Facebook group. I'm not giving anything away. You join the group, you can get it. And I filtered it through that. You have to do the same thing. Stop giving that lead magnet away because they're not going to join your Facebook group. 330. Make sure that lead magnet is jam-packed. I mean, make sure it's real full of value, because you have to give them a reason to join your Facebook group. Because so many of us are part of Facebook groups and it's like, okay, we got to join another one. We got to join another one. No, make them want to join this Facebook group of yours. But you can't continue to give it away and think people are going to join after they already have what they want. It's not going to happen like that. If you look inside of, oh, I got to share the screen. So if you look inside of your membership, come to the left side, scroll down and go to educational lessons. You want to go to Facebook group landing pages, and it's right here. Look at this tutorial. It's going to help you out a lot. I walk you through step by step on how to create a Facebook group landing page. This is what you need, Liz. This is what's going to help you grow your Facebook group. This is also what's going to help you grow your email list, because I have a dual method. When they join my Facebook group, they're also joining my email list. So I don't have to do anything. This is when I tell you guys, put your systems on automation. Let these robots work for you. Stop manually inputting email addresses. I was shocked when I found out a lot of you guys that are Facebook admins, you're literally writing down email addresses. No, absolutely not. You're paying for these services already. You're paying for MailChimp. You're paying for Kajabi. You're paying for ConvertKit. Automate the systems. I'm not writing those 330 people that join my Facebook group. I'm not writing down 330 names. Are you kidding me? That's a lot. When they click on, let me share my screen with you. I'm going to go to my Facebook group. When you first want to join my Facebook group, and all of you guys did this when you joined, what do you see on the very first line? Before I even describe my group to you, I say, you want to join? Click here. That's the first thing I say. I don't say hello. I don't say hi. I don't even tell you who I am. I say, you want to join this group? Click this link. All of you guys need to put this inside of your Facebook groups. Remember, I keep telling you guys, call to action. Call to action. Tell them what you want them to do. You want to join? Click here. Once they click there, it's going to automatically take them to my landing page. It says, come and join the Facebook group. It's like Netflix for social media. I tell you a little bit about the Facebook group, and then at the bottom I say, okay, when you join my group, you're going to get this freebie. So you need the same exact thing. You need to create a Facebook group landing page. For my background image, I thought it was cool to have an actual screenshot of my Facebook group. This is the exact same thing you guys see on your end. So that's what I use for the background image. And then I did a black overlay. Really simple. I turned down the transparency. I just typed in, come and join the Facebook group. And right here, remember I told you, inside of this tutorial, it walks you step by step on what you need to do. I just wanted to briefly explain to you what I did for my landing page. And then right at the bottom, let them know. Tell them about the lead magnet. And yours doesn't have to necessarily look like this. I have another tutorial where I explain to you guys that you can just do a simple landing page. You can maybe have like screenshots of your PDFs that you want to offer to your audience. You can maybe show them a scrolling video on a laptop on what they'll receive. But always let them know what they're getting inside of that lead magnet. Once they enter in their information right here and they click join group, it's going to automatically take them to my thank you page. Do not include that lead magnet right there. Do not, I repeat, do not include your lead magnet on the thank you page. And this is where a lot of people mess up at. One, remember I was talking about those professional freebie grabbers? They can probably just throw in any email address that's going to make your bounce rates go up. And then now they have your freebie. And they just gave you, you know how like if you're out, I've never done this before, but I see so many people do it. I'm like, why don't you just tell him no? Like, you know, a man that asks for the phone number and then the lady will just give them a fake number just to blow them off. And I'm the type of person, I just say no, outright, like, no, you cannot have my phone number. But it's the exact same way with these Facebook groups and these freebies. You get professional freebies all the time. These people are not interested in anything but grabbing your freebie. They will give you a fake email address. So make sure that you do not include your freebie on the thank you page. Put that freebie inside of the email, and also let them know that. Let them know, say, check, like I do right here at the bottom. So I'm kind of telling them in a nice way that don't give me a fake email address because your freebie is coming inside of your email. So make sure you check, double check. You know, I just said it a nice way. I'm sending you a bundle. Please check your email. I also remind them to check their spam, because a lot of the times this your freebie will go into their spam folders. And so many people, you will be surprised, so many people do not check their spam folders. So let them know, if you do not receive this freebie within, 5 minutes, please check your spam folder. And that's it. So you're going to create a Facebook group landing page. You're going to create a thank you page. And then you're going to automate that with an email that is going to automatically send to them. Automate, automate, automate. I scream that to the top of my head all the time. It's so much easier when you put your business on automation. Can you imagine me sitting here writing down 330 email addresses and then sending out 330 emails saying thank you for joining my group? Oh no. I was asleep. I was literally asleep. And 330 emails automatically went out on my behalf with my name on there while I was asleep. Because I make the robots work for me. This is what you're paying these services for. Utilize them. It's the best thing since Wi-Fi. Automate, automate, automate. So once again, inside of this membership, I walk you step by step. Here's the video. I show you how to do everything inside of Kajabi. Everything. I show you how to do the thank you page. See, I'm showing you how to attach your freebie to the email. Everything you need is right here inside of this tutorial. And I also give you a screenshot on the 330 requests that I had got in. So remember, it's that simple. Do not give it away. Don't. What's the old saying the grandparents used to use? Why buy a cow when I can get the milk for free? My granny used to say that all the time. So I'm telling you the same thing, Liz. Why? Why should they? Why do I have to buy a cow when I can get the milk for free? Why do I have to join Liz's Facebook group when I can get her lead magnets for free? The same analogy applies. So, now you know. Stop giving those lead magnets away for free. Get inside of your membership. Look at that tutorial. And let's create a Facebook group landing page. And that is how you will have people to join your Facebook group. If you guys have any other questions, just post them inside of the group. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.